What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add ChatGPT Search to Google Chrome. Adding the ChatGPT Search extension to your Chrome browser is a great way to enhance your search experience. With this extension, you can see ChatGPT's AI-generated responses displayed alongside traditional Google search results, providing a unique perspective on your queries. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and navigate to the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions, by typing Chrome Web Store in the URL bar and pressing Enter. When the Chrome Web Store page loads, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. In this search bar, type ChatGPT for Google and press Enter. This will display a list of related extensions available in the store. From the search results, locate the extension titled ChatGPT for Google. Make sure it's developed by ChatGPTforGoogle.com, as this verifies you are downloading the correct and trusted extension. Double-checking the developer is essential to avoid installing unofficial or potentially harmful extensions. Click on the extension's name or its icon to open the detailed extensions page. Here you can review the extension's description, features, and screenshots, which will give you an idea of what it does. Essentially, this extension integrates ChatGPT responses directly into your Google search results page. It's a helpful tool for getting AI-driven insights alongside traditional search engine results. Once you're sure this is the extension you want, click the blue Add to Chrome button on the top right corner of the page. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. The window will outline the permissions the extension requires to function properly, such as reading your browsing data on search pages. If you're comfortable with these permissions, click Add Extension. Chrome will now download and install the extension. Once installed, a notification will confirm that the extension has been successfully added to Chrome. Now, when you perform a Google search, the ChatGPT extension will display AI-generated responses alongside the standard search engine results. You can interact with these responses, ask follow-up questions, or explore the additional insights provided by ChatGPT. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.